Good morning. I'm here at the Cocoa Beach Air Show, live in Cocoa Beach. And we just saw the force of the U.S. jet fighter taking a little dive in right now. Woo! The water's a little cold over here in Cocoa Beach. I've been vaccinated twice. I don't know how to explain to you. Pfizer did a great job getting vaccines out. COVID-free. Hydrate yourself when you're going out. Here we go. Up above. Woo! JoJo and the in-laws and the outlaw over here in Cocoa Beach enjoying the air show. Live. Post-pandemic. Get yourself vaccinated. Feel safe. Behind me, you have to pay $150 to watch it over at Lori Wilson Park. But over here, it's free. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Follow me at Doc Yoda Mendoza. Florida is safe. Mark yourself safe, vaccinated, or enjoying life. Talk to your governors in your states, in your country. Open it up. We want hockey. We want the Jets to win the Stanley Cup. Open the damn borders, Canada. We love you. The more you share the video, is real. It's happening. It's 2021. Don't move away from fear. We already have the science. Get your leadership to come on board. Woohoo! Enjoy the water. Enjoy the beach. No more politics. Let's get busy and live. All the cruise ships are behind me. Waiting for passengers. Please let them start traveling. We want to take a cruise very soon. Help the economy, help the world. Okay, I can't find the plane. Here we go. Coming up behind me. Another jet fighter. Woo, right behind me. Peace. Doc Yoda Mendoza. God bless. Condolences to Prince Philip. It's a great funeral procession. Love you guys.